This Hamilton Beach portable single induction cooktop is a versatile and efficient addition to any kitchen. Whether you need extra cooking space for entertaining, outdoor grilling, or small living spaces like dorms and RVs, this induction cooktop offers flexibility and convenience. With its sleek black design, it not only performs well, but also adds a modern touch to your kitchen setup. The Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop features a sleek, black surface that is both stylish and functional. The smooth, ceramic glass top is easy to clean, making post-cooking cleanup a breeze. The cooktop is compact and lightweight, making it highly portable and easy to store when not in use. Despite its portability, it feels sturdy and well-built, capable of handling everyday cooking tasks. One of the standout features of the Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop is its impressive heating efficiency. The cooktop heats 40% faster than a typical smooth top range or stove when boiling water. This efficiency is particularly noticeable when you need to bring water to a boil quickly. In tests, it was able to boil 1.5 quarts of water from room temperature in just 7 minutes. This speed is a significant time saver, especially for those busy weeknight dinners or when preparing meals for a crowd. The Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop offers flexible cooking controls, allowing you to choose between heat levels or specific temperatures. There are 10 heat levels to choose from, providing a range of options from low simmering to high heat searing. Additionally, you can set the temperature in either Fahrenheit 180-450 F or Celsius 82-232 C, offering precise control over your cooking. The digital display is clear and easy to read, ensuring you can monitor and adjust settings effortlessly. The controls are intuitive, making it simple for anyone to use, regardless of their cooking experience. This induction cooktop is compatible with induction-ready cookware ranging from 4 to 10 inches in diameter. This versatility means you can use everything from small saucepans to large frying pans and stock pots. The inclusion of an induction test magnet is a thoughtful addition, allowing you to easily check if your cookware is compatible. The cooktop's versatility makes it a great addition to any kitchen. Whether you're hosting a large gathering and need an extra burner, cooking in an RV, or simply want a portable option for outdoor cooking, the Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop has you covered. Safety is always a priority in the kitchen, and the Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop incorporates several safety features to give you peace of mind. The cooktop includes a 150-minute cooking timer with an auto shut-off function. This feature ensures that the cooktop turns off automatically after the set time, preventing overcooking and reducing the risk of accidents. Additionally, induction cooking itself is inherently safer than traditional methods. Since the cooktop heats the pot directly rather than the cooking surface, the surrounding area remains cooler to the touch, reducing the risk of burns. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop makes it easy. The smooth ceramic glass surface wipes clean quickly, and there are no burners or grates to scrub. Spills and splatters are easily removed with a damp cloth, keeping the cooktop looking new even after frequent use. Everyday cooking. The Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop is perfect for everyday cooking tasks. Its fast heating capabilities make it ideal for boiling water, cooking pasta, or sautéing vegetables. The precise temperature control allows you to prepare delicate sauces and soups without worrying about burning or overcooking. Entertaining. When hosting guests, having an extra burner can be incredibly useful. This cooktop provides the additional cooking space needed for large meals or buffet-style serving. Its portability means you can set it up anywhere, even outdoors for a barbecue or picnic. Small spaces. For those living in small apartments, dorms, or RVs, the Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop offers a compact cooking solution. Its space-saving design and efficient performance make it a valuable addition to any small kitchen setup. Outdoor cooking. Take your cooking outdoors with this portable induction cooktop. Whether you're camping, tailgating, or just enjoying a meal on the patio, this cooktop provides a reliable and efficient way to cook outside. Conclusion. The Hamilton Beach Portable Single Induction Cooktop Model 34104 is a versatile, efficient, and stylish addition to any kitchen. Its fast heating capabilities, precise temperature control, and safety features make it a standout choice for both everyday cooking and special occasions. The cooktop's portability and ease of cleaning add to its appeal, making it a practical solution for a wide range of cooking needs. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a novice cook, the Hamilton Beach Induction Cooktop offers the flexibility and performance needed to elevate your cooking experience. Its compatibility with a variety of cookware sizes and its sleek, modern design make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. Expand your cooking options and enjoy the benefits of fast, efficient induction cooking with the Hamilton Beach Portable Single Induction Cooktop. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.